Hey guys, welcome to KCA. In this video, I'll be showing you how to break even and reasons why you need to break even on any trade. Not just breaking even because you feel like, oh, I don't want to lose money. No, it's not about you don't want to lose money. There are days you don't even need to break even. Just allow the trade to run. So please, let's get started and get into it straight away. Number one thing you need to understand, what is break even? Break even simply means moving your stop loss to your entry on any trade when you're on profit. So for instance, let's assume I'm longing this trade right now. Let me go. Let's assume I'm longing this trade. Let's come here. This is my entry right here, and I'm longing this trade. This 1:1 already. You know that already. This 1:1. I'm mixing one to make one. That's what it simply means. I'm mixing, for instance, $1 to make $1. So why should I break even on this trade? Or what does it mean to break even? This simply means, for instance, this is my stop loss, 77.79. My take profit is 86.19. Sorry. My take profit is 86.19 and my entry is 82.10 on this trade. So once the market starts going up towards my take profit, I can change my SL to 82.10 on any platform I'm trading. You can edit your SL either on Binance or on Bybit. So just edit the SL to your current entry. That's what it means to break even. So why should you break even on a trade? That's what I was explaining next. Number one, before you break even, ensure the market is already 50% above your take profit or 50% on its way to your take profit. For instance, let's assume my take profit is 86.19 here and I'm entering at 82.13. The difference between the two figures is just $7, right? So automatically now my take profit should be at least maybe when the market has moved at least above maybe 3.5. Let's say maybe the market is on maybe 85.35 right now. At least 50% on its way or 50% done to my take profit. Then I can break even. Don't break even until the market is 50% on its way or 50% done towards your take profit. If not, you will get stopped out 90% of the time. Some of you have found out that immediately I break even, the market came back, and bam, and it hits me, and I'm like, oh, well, thank God I didn't actually lose. After all, it's fine. It's not fine. You should have made money. You are here to make money, not to count time. Do you get my point? So, reason why you are not getting it right because you are setting too early or too late. Most times, even too early. Because once you set it, you keep looking at the market. Once you enter a trade, you won't allow the market to rest. You keep refreshing. I always tell my students, any trade you enter that you can't sleep, that when you are sleeping, you are dreaming of that trade, go and close the trade. The trade wasn't meant for you. You're actually trading above your power that way. You are trading what you should not be trading. Do you get my point, guys? So please take note of that, and that's going to help you a long way. Another reason why you need to set or you to break even in the market is that whenever news is coming out, I even used to tell my students, once news is about to be out, close the trade. How do you know maybe news is coming out or a major news is coming out? Go to forexfactory.com and check those news that are ticked with red. That means they are news with high impact. For instance, like FOMC news. I know some of us in the crypto market doesn't even have reference for news. Go ask the forex trader, they have a lot of reference for news. Because news could scatter the whole year for you. A single news. Do you get my point? So whenever news is about to come out, always ensure you break even on the market. Number 3 reason why you should break even is that when there's automatic change of market structure, maybe due to high volatility. Do you get my point? Due to high volatility. For instance, right now, let's assume this trade right now. We have been, go back a little, shift back to the left. You can see here, we have been on a range market, and the market is going up. Let's assume I'm long in this trade. And automatically, boom, I saw a major candlestick breaking downward. Maybe a bearish engulfing candlestick. The next thing is break even automatically. As a matter of fact, close that trade. A change in market structure means market manipulator, market makers who are bigger than you and bigger than your position have entered the markets. And you can't choose to compete with them. If you try, you get slaughtered. So break even in such a situation. So these are the 3 reasons why you should break even in the market. And that's the strategy to break even. Ensure that it's at least 50% done towards your take profits. Don't just wait for the market, okay, because the market is just going up and then quickly break even. So no, it doesn't make sense. The market is just 10% done to your take profit, yet you are break even. Automatically, you get stopped out from that market. Do you get me, guys? So please, that's all I have to tell you today. You can watch my video on how to set take profit and stop loss. That's one of the magical video I've done. The video was extremely amazing. I explained 5 proven ways I've done. I used to set my take profit and stop loss. You can find it right there on our YouTube channel. And next to this video that you'll be watching right now is how to get the perfect entry in the market. Check our YouTube channel and find out this educative video. They are going to help you a lot. And please, most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you be among the first guys to get updates whenever a new video is released. So hit the subscribe button right now, and God bless you. Thank you. See you on the next.